In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a workflow to a different folder or workspace in n8n. If you're organizing automations in n8n and want to keep things tidy by project, team, or environment, moving a workflow is quick and safe. You don't need to duplicate or rebuild anything. Just relocate it to the right spot. To follow along, make sure you're signed in and have permission to manage workflows in the destination folder or workspace. Start on the n8n dashboard and open your workflows list. This is your central hub where every workflow is displayed. You'll see each workflow's name, its current status, like active or inactive, and a three-dot menu to the right of every item. If you have a long list, use the search bar or filters to find exactly what you're looking for. Don't worry, viewing or preparing to move a workflow won't affect how it runs. Next, find the workflow you want to relocate and click the three-dot menu beside it. This brings up a small set of actions such as open, share, duplicate, move, and archive. Take a second to confirm you've selected the correct workflow, especially if you have similar names. Moving won't change the workflow's content or trigger settings. It just changes where it lives. Choose Move from the menu. When you click it, a pop-up or drop-down appears, letting you pick a destination. If you don't see the Move option, it might be due to your permissions, so check with your admin if needed. Otherwise, continue by reviewing the available folders or workspaces. Now, select the folder or workspace where you want this workflow to go. If your folders are still a bit sparse, you can create a new one right here to keep things neatly grouped. Consider a naming pattern that reflects purpose or environment, like marketing, finance, or staging, to make future organization easier. If you're moving the workflow to a different workspace, be aware that sharing and access may change depending on that workspace's settings. When you're ready, click Move to confirm. n8n will relocate the workflow to the destination you chose. You'll see it disappear from its original list and appear in the new folder or workspace. If it doesn't show up right away, refresh the page or reopen the destination. You can always move it again later if you change your mind. That's it. With this simple process, you can keep your automations clean, navigable, and collaboration-friendly. As you go, consider setting up consistent folders and using clear names so your team can find what they need in seconds. Thanks for watching, and happy automating.